Hi guys, A Vlogs back at another video, and today video I'm going to the OB street fair, and I'm gonna be filming there because I'm gonna hang out with my family on the weekend. It's summertime. Happy summer. Hope you guys have a good summer. And that's all I gotta say until we get there. I'm not gonna I know how some vlogs I filmed the bus on the bus, but I don't think I'm gonna film that today. So yeah, we're going to 11 too, so I'm gonna film that. So just at the end of the vlog, just tell me what you enjoyed, what you didn't enjoy. So peace. Hi guys, we made it to OB. Now we're walking to the OB street fair, and it's gonna be lit. That's what I think. All the years before it was lit. I didn't go last year, but I went last year before, and it was lit. So last year I went 3 years ago I went, and it was lit. So yeah. Not the street fair.
Nikai's probably down here. I know that's really bad.
No, she's not.
Yeah, she is.
She's probably having a blast in the pool.
No.
Yeah.
She doesn't always come out and play with her. Let's go down first.
Where are we going? No, I'm walking back down. What does it matter?
What if we stole it?
Oh. They're not OB logos. I don't think they come here.
It's a kill.
You start getting a lot of YouTube fame.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You start getting a lot of YouTube fame.
Oh,
Okay, I got it. Oh, that felt good. I got it. So, I'm at the OB Street Fair, and it's lit, guys. It's lit. Look, it's lit. Just amazing. I'm looking for the pizza now. I'm looking for the pizza, and I haven't found it yet. So, yeah. orange chicken? They have an orange chicken bowl.
What's with orange chicken?
I don't know.
Oh, so I think it was $5, right?
Hi guys, we're at Nico's. I don't know. And we ordered 12 roll tacos. What?
Dropped his phone in the water, right? And now he's like, he has to use earphones so it's like for Snap.
Yeah.
My point is like, why don't you just get a new phone? Like you just got yourself a new camera.
I don't know. Maybe he spent his whole check on one camera. But we've got 12 roll tacos and a soda, and I got some new sandals. And it's pretty cool. We're waiting for our order. And that's my mom. My mom. No, she's not. Shut up. My mom's taking a selfie of herself. My hair looks amazing. Let me see. Show the camera. My mom looks beautiful. Yeah, you look good. She's busted. And we got more.
He likes what
Hi guys. So we just got done with the OB Street Fair, and now we are going. My mom's gonna use the bathroom at Old Town. So yeah, my leg really hurts right now because I don't know. I've been walking a little bit, and it was a really good day. It's kind of boring, but it was a good day. We enjoyed a spot we never really go to because we don't live down in Ocean Beach, and one day we'll get there. God will bless us, and we'll live down OB. So yeah. So anyway, we're going into Old Town. My leg really hurts really bad. I'm just gonna keep vlogging. Ooh, there's a Mom, look at that Mustang. Look at that red Mustang. That is sick, guys. Mom, what do you think of the Mustang?
I like that.
You like that, Mom? My mom looks beautiful today. I like Old Town. Amazing. You know why?
What?
You know why I want some boat shoes? I don't really have to wear socks with them. Nice blue sky. And then the other side is like construction. So guys, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys liked it. Peace, like, comment, and subscribe for more vlogs.
Sit there and watch my bag.
Goodbye.